RiKhasi balang Kiba Ioh korat ke sangma menteri rangba ke jelau la pentip bon sa me ke khusnam Meghalaya Day Award hak arpundri trik mentau penai ke badai ke Republic Day. Kini kikentup ya ke khusnam utirat sing award for arts and literature kaballe chi kong Sweetie Mandrinja kapatugan sangma award for social services kaballe chi Dr. Jennifer Basayamwat but ukiang nang ba award for sports and games kaballe chi uki marak.
And I would like to just read out the names of the winners or the people who have been awarded for the Meghalaya Day Award. So the Utturot Singh Award which is for art and literature. The person who's been awarded is Srimati Sweetimon Rinja. Second, for the Pathogan N. Sangma Award for Social Services, the awardee is person who's getting the award is Dr. Jennifer Basaimet. The third, which is the U Kyong Nangba Award for Sports and Games, the award is being given to Shri Klingson D. Marak. So these are the three awardees, and these awards, as you are aware, will be given out on Republic Day.